We'll guide you through how to refresh VS Code effectively. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open your Visual Studio Code on your computer. If you're noticing some sluggishness or any extensions not behaving as expected, a simple refresh can often resolve these issues. Go to the top menu bar and click on the View option. In the drop-down menu, select Command Palette, or simply press Ctrl+Shift+P on your keyboard, which is the shortcut for opening the command palette. Once it's open, type Reload Window in the search bar. You'll see an option that says Developer Reload Window. Click on this option. This will reload the entire VS Code window, which effectively refreshes the application and can resolve many minor issues or glitches you might be facing. This action restarts the VS Code backend processes without closing the application, so you won't lose any unsaved work. It's a quick way to clear any temporary hiccups. If you're using extensions, make sure they are up to date, as outdated extensions can sometimes cause performance issues. For this, you can go to the Extensions view by clicking on the square icon on the sidebar, or pressing Ctrl+Shift+X. Here you can see if any updates are available and apply them as needed. Remember, regularly refreshing your VS Code and keeping extensions updated can help maintain optimal performance and a smoother experience. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.